Hello everyone. Today, I'll walk you through our brand new 2025 signage catalog and show you just how easy it is to navigate and find the perfect product for your needs. Before we dive in, I would like to mention we ship all orders the same business day. Depending on your location, you'll receive your items within 1 to 3 business days. Now, let's begin our tour with the index page. Here, you'll find 8 main categories to choose from. You can start browsing from the main category page or go directly to a specific product page. Each product page includes detailed images, videos, and a selection guide to help you make the right choice. Simply click on the SKU number, and you'll be taken straight to that product's webpage for more details. For example, I'm adding one standoff kit to my project. To continue shopping within the catalog, I just click the blue button right here. You can repeat this process until your shopping is complete. Thank you for choosing mbs-standoffs.com. We appreciate your business.